Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
Here I've got a full rack of baby back ribs. And the first thing you want to do is get these flipped over, meat side down, and with a paper towel grip the membrane and rip that off all the way down the whole rack of bones. Then come back over it with a sharp knife and score the bottom. Crisscross, make little X's. Now most rib racks average 13 to 15 rib bones, so I'm going to space these every 3 bones and make a cut. This will give me 5 portions if I decide to cut this one into 3 and 2. And that's alright with me because my little boy isn't going to eat more than 2 ribs anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that right through. The smaller end of the rack is usually really meaty anyway, so it's not like he's going to be missing out. See? Now all we got to do is season them. Always start with kosher salt and pepper. And today I feel like I'm going to go ahead and add some cumin as well. And if you've been watching my channel lately, you've probably seen the blackened seasoning that I've been plugging away at you. So I'm going to go ahead and add that too, because it's got a little bit of everything you need for a good rack of ribs. And you want to let these get to room temperature. Now here I've got some asparagus. I'm going to add some carrots and waxy potatoes and some sweet lunchbox peppers. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And it's important to get this mixed all the way through, so a little bit of that olive oil is hitting all sides of these vegetables. It's really going to help the seasoning stick. And all I'm going to do is hit it with some kosher salt and pepper. Just a couple 3-finger pinches is all you're going to need. Then just give it a good bowl toss to make sure all those veggies are seasoned. And feel free to bite into any one of these raw just to check it out. Make sure it's to your specific tastes. Now lay down a strip of tin foil. Go ahead and portion your vegetables in the center any way you like. Then lay down one of those rib portions right over the top. Now fold the back and front of the tin foil over the top of the ribs. Pinch it together and fold in the sides. Just like that. And you can barbecue these or do what I'm doing and cookie sheet these and take them straight to the oven. And you want to cook these at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour and a half to 2 hours. And when they're done, it should look something like this here. I like to use tongs because they're usually pretty hot. Sometimes I get a little impatient though, so I'm going to go ahead and get in here with my hands and get it done faster. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See, these don't look too bad. And this is the one for my boy. Yeah, that's plenty for a 6-year-old to eat. Now technically you can be done at this point, but I'm going to take it one step further. Fold in all these sides, kind of make it more like a tray. This gets all the tops exposed. Now I can take it back to the oven, crisp up those tops. We're going to go in at 350 degrees this time for about 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. And I'm telling you, this meal right here is some serious good eating. No one at your campfire or your barbecue will dare complain. And I'm going to go ahead and prove it to you right now. I usually save this for my money shot, but we'll go ahead and open this up and give you a good look at it. I'll go ahead and get in here and rip this meat apart. Let you check it out all up close like. This is great if you want to add barbecue sauce, by the way. But it is fantastic by itself too. These carrots are nice and tender, and so are these taters. Yes, I just said taters. And that kosher salt and pepper worked out just fine. The asparagus is a little soggy, I'll admit, but it's a tinfoil dinner. Still tastes great. And there you have it. Baby back rib tinfoil dinner right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.